Welcome to Maths with Mr. Chow. In this lesson, we will learn how to find the perimeter of a semicircle. We will look at both the curved edge and the diameter. Let's get started. The perimeter of a semicircle has two parts, the curved edge and the diameter. First, the curved edge is half the circumference of a full circle. The perimeter is then found by adding the curved edge and the diameter. Since the circumference of a circle is pi times the diameter, the formula is P equals pi d divided by 2 plus d. Let's look at an example. The diameter of the semicircle is 10 centimeters. First, we find half the circumference. Pi times 10 divided by 2 is approximately 15.7 centimeters. Next, we add the diameter. 15.7 plus 10 equals 25.7. Therefore, the perimeter of the semicircle is approximately 25.7 centimeters. Remember, the perimeter of a semicircle is not just the curved edge. Don't forget to add the diameter. The perimeter equals the curved edge plus the diameter. This is a common mistake, so always check that you have included both parts. Thanks for watching. Thank you for learning with Maths with Mr. Chow. If you found this lesson helpful, please subscribe for more easy maths lessons. You can also watch another video to continue learning. See you in the next lesson.